if you take a human handprint right here, we have thumbs. That's what makes us special. So we'll take out the thumb. But you can see there's my front finger, my middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. How it kind of slides down. If you look, slides down like this. Same thing with a paw print. You're going to have a toe, 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 and then there's that pad in the middle. So if it was that kind of sloping off, this would be a right paw, right? And that would be the same thing with a hoof. The hoof would actually be ground down or filed off a little bit more on the right side, indicating right. And also tell which one is a front or a back foot, depending. So because we're humans and we're bipedal, we stand on our feet only. It'd be a little weird if you're walking around on your hands. That's why our feet are larger. With a quadruped, except for a very few exceptions, four-legged animals, the front paws and the front feet are always larger. And that's because they carry the mass of the neck and the head and sometimes the antlers or the horns, whereas the tail doesn't really weigh much. I can tell actually which way they were looking when they were walking, if they were walking. When I walk and I look to the left to balance my weight, I pull my left foot out slightly. You don't think about this when you're doing it. You just do it naturally. And then my right foot would remain forward or slightly to the left as well. So when I look back at my tracks, I see that the left foot, that means that my head was actually looking to the left, and the right, the same thing would be going on there. So we can learn a lot